Colin Erasmus, Windows Business Group Lead at Microsoft South Africa.
Okay, all right, Colin. If you can maybe tell me when Microsoft Windows 8 is going to be available in South Africa in stores, and which stores it's going to be available in.
So, I mean, the official date is the 26th of October, so tomorrow, Friday. Distribution is going to be quite widespread. So what we managed to do is secure around about 40 odd unique Windows 8 devices from our different manufacturers. And typically it will be through our normal distribution channels, so Tarsus, Mustek, etc., the guys that stock the stuff. And it's fairly widely ranged across most of our retailers. So, everywhere from like an Incredible Connection, for instance, to Dion Wide. And you'll find that they'll take different devices in for the different needs of their customers. So some of the guys may take all-in-ones in, some of them may take thin Windows RT devices in, but we're expecting a fairly good broad distribution on the 26th.
Also, I'm presuming that Windows 8 is going to be available online. If you can maybe tell me how users can download it, where they can download it from, and how much it's going to cost online as well.
It will also be available tomorrow through full pack product across most stores in our OEM version, so people building their own machines, what we call system builders. So it will be fairly broadly available from tomorrow the 26th. The downgrade option that you speak about, there are a couple of options. So the really big one was people that purchased Windows 7 PCs from the 2nd of June to the 31st of January next year qualify for a downgrade at $14.99 to Windows 8 Professional.
If you can just tell me a little bit more about the Standard Bank's relationship with Microsoft. I believe that Standard Bank have got an app on the Windows Marketplace.
We've very much become what we call a devices and services organization today. So it has become very much around the devices for us and what that enables you to do. But that device is pretty useless without a great service or a great application. And that's really how it came about, if you think about it. We looked at the ecosystem. We've been working with a lot of our customers around what Windows 8 could mean for them potentially. And so that partnership formed. It's been a great partnership. Hopefully a very, very, very good long-term partnership for us. And you saw the announcement tonight, so it's actually a fantastic announcement from a device and as well as an application point of view. The nice thing about it is also a native application to the Windows 8 platform.
And also, if you could just explain to me as to whether other banking customers in South Africa, such as those from F&B, will be able to have an app on the Windows Marketplace as well. It seems as if it's a little bit one-sided at the moment.
Applications, locally relevant applications, are exceptionally important to us. There's a lot that we already have in the store, the likes of Weather SA, for instance, the likes of DSTV, etc., etc. So we worked very hard to get those local applications, and we're going to work even harder in the future to maintain that, because we really do believe that consumers should have those locally relevant applications. And the same goes for all the other banks. So we will absolutely work and engage with all the other banks as well.